See, they go, the guy explained it to me, they go over everything. They go over, you know, hand-to-hand defensive tactics, and like if somebody's trying to take the
What
gun.
would you want to do with the kids if he's playing?
Beth was going to keep it.
My sister does?
Your cousin there.
You mean Beth and Amy?
They need one of them have a job, and they told her he were $100 a day. Keep them.
All that stuff goes in your drawers, in the right drawer, and it needs to be right. Right? She's gonna be mad now.
Yeah, she's already asked me 3 or 4 times if I was still bringing them over there tomorrow, and I said, no, something's come up, I can't make it. I
You
didn't.
just told them that their mom was gone.
Well, I hadn't talked to you, and I didn't know, I wasn't trying to pressure you. 2, I didn't know if you wanted me to tell people you were back, and 3, I didn't know if you were going to stay or not.